So this is some kind of moldable foam. It's similar to Crayola Model Magic. As you can see, it's really easy to make the beads. You can make them bigger if you want. After you are done, let them dry for a few hours at least, or one day. So these are my new beads that my husband made. They are so tiny and cute. I love them. Okay, let's make a test and see if these beads are any good. Wow, they look amazing. And they stick to the slime. So cool. DIY beads in DIY slime. So, what do you think about my homemade beads? Would you try them? Leave your comments down below. Bye!